What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15. As always, I will be uploading a number of videos on this iPhone 15, so if you are new around here and want to join me on the road to 5,000 subscribers, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell icon to be notified of when any new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of the iPhone 15. So here in the UK, it'll start off at £799, and if you are in the United States, it'll also start off at $799 for 128 gigabytes. And as you can see, I have chosen to unbox the blue iPhone 15. And placing the iPhone 15 to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included. The first of these is the braided USB-C cable. Now this cable is not color matched like we see with the lightning cable that comes included with the iMac models. Instead it's white, but it's still braided. It has an approximate length of 1 meter, and as you can see, it has USB-C on either side, as the iPhone 15 is the first iPhone to switch from lightning to USB-C. And the final item to be included is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Now the first thing that comes included within this is your SIM card ejection tool, along with further information on your Apple limited warranty, which comes in both English and French, which is followed up by further information on health and safety. And the final item to be included is a rather small white Apple sticker. And taking a look at the iPhone 15, you can certainly see that the blue colour is not as blue or as striking as you probably imagined, but it's a lot more of a pastel type of colour. Personally, I like these colours. I think the pink colour looks the most striking, but I do prefer the standard black colour. On the bottom of the device, you can see that USB-C port with the speakers and microphone grill, and on the left side there is your volume buttons along with your mute and silent switch, along with the SIM card tray. On the back of the iPhone you'll find the textured glass and camera setup. On the right side you've got your power and Siri button. On the top there's nothing. As I mentioned, I do like the pink coloured iPhone 15, and I've got that colour in the iPhone 15 Plus, so you might want to check out that video. So that has been it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe. If you've got questions with anything that you've seen, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.